Yo, good morning, good morning. We fell down a good amount before retesting, so today's gonna be a little tricky. Let's see what type of news we have. No news today. No news today. Give me just a second. Hmm. Yo, Dorian, what's up, man? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm thinking. I'm trying to check. My calendar. Where's the 16th? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I don't have anything. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Um, I'm low-key thinking a little bit towards longs off open. Just to go back towards the middle. We can reject off the middle would be nice, but I would also have to wait for this level to be taken. So we can close. So we can, tap this level, go down, tap it again, and we continue down, right? But if we close, so if we go up and we close above this, then we can reject off this level. Or it can happen like this: we tap it, we close above here, and then we tap the middle, and then we go up again. Yeah, it's yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. I have a very important meeting today, so I gotta get ready for that too. Yeah. So man, we already fell a good amount of points. I mean, nothing crazy because we fell 2 months, and I would have just, called it cash. So we didn't fall that crazy. Also, since you're the first one here, bro, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek on what I've been working on. Like this is my website that I made. I made a leaderboard basically. Let me know what you think about it. I mean, it's like the first time I made it, so we can always use the feedback. You know, here you would the most payouts, the top 10 people, highest P&L, the most accounts won in a giveaway. You would submit it like right here, Dorian, right? Dorian, boom. Your Discord name, Dorian, right? You would select your category, payout proof. It asks for, a good amount of information, but that's because I can't really verify it without actually having access to your account. So I would just have to trust you, right? So you would just put Lucid Trading, right? Lucid Trading, an example. I can't even type, my hands hurt. Your email, whatever.com. Your prop firm user, whatever, boom, boom, boom. Payout amount, 2000, whatever. You put the month. Okay, I gotta fix this. I just realized. I mean, it still works, right? But here you would put month, 2000, whatever. 2026. Oops. 2026. Why am I 2026? There we go. I don't know why I struggled so much. And then you would just submit a picture and a video proof. The reason for the video is so so I can make sure it's legit and you don't like edit it. You don't edit it and you don't, mess around with it. It has to be like a picture of the actual broker, the actual prop firm. You would just, uh, agree to these rules. You would just put a note if you want. Be like, hey, this is my payout. Boom, submit for review. And then right here you could check your submissions. And this is where I would like, review them and approve them, deny them, etc. So I think it's nice. I mean, the design could probably, use some work on, but I think it's alright. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. I was just showing Dorian the a little leaderboard I've been working on, for the community. Uh, yeah, it's right here. I'm gonna post it in the leaderboard channel later. Yeah. I have an important meeting with Tradevay very soon actually. So I need to I might have to get off a little bit early today. But I'm gonna talk to them and I'm gonna ask for permission if you guys can like, sign in like right here somewhere, like sign in with my account, whatever. So it links it towards so it can link it so it actually follows your P&L, your stuff like that, right? For example, for P&L, I would have to just basically trust you guys. I also said here, I want to keep this real. So where's it at? Mm, well, actually, I don't have it here yet, but I'm gonna put it so that if you submit fake things, I'm trying to keep it legit. So if you submit like a fake payout or a fake P&L, whatever, and if I really wouldn't know, but if I find out that it actually is fake, then I'm just gonna like ban you from any future giveaways, because I'm really trying to keep it legit. What time? uh, what time? What time? Oh, he left. Well, I have the meeting like around in like an hour and 15 around there. So I basically have 1 hour and 15 minutes to catch something. I should be able to. I hope. Let me just respond to about uh good morning, Fab. Sorry if I mispronounced it. But yeah, that's my little sneak peek. Daryl. Daryl. I'm sorry, I'm so bad with names. Right. Did I say it right? Daryl. Dario. Dario? Dario. It's Dario. Just says, man, my Spanish sucks too, bro. Oh yeah, we're getting some nice sell off. Dariel. Dariel? Is that how you say it? There you go, Dariel. Okay. Alright, bet. Oh, what's up, Slap High? Alright, we felt a good amount, so not really expecting much. You know, maybe something like market open dumps, taps this level, pumps back up here. Based on how we react off this level, is whether we go higher or lower. So if we don't go up here and reject off of it, or you know, close above it, then I'm not taking anything. Plus, like I said, I have a meeting with Trader Bay later on, so I gotta hurry. Yeah, Asia. This is Asia. Asia high, Asia low, low, London high, New York high, New York low. I have it marked out just in case, right? But nice rejection, actually. Some bullish momentum here. No, this is actually looking very good for some longs. I just hope it doesn't do what it did yesterday, bro. Alright, so our perfect tap, rejection right away. Instant rejection. Holy damn. I'd be scared to take this. So much volume. Ooh. Scary. Well, good thing this is not my setup. I mean, it kind of was, but my priority is 8 a.m. orb. Just gotta wait, I guess. Here's where I would enter longs. You know, if I went to 30 basically. I just gotta confirm my meeting. I don't know why I didn't get an email. Or depending on this close, we would probably keep going higher or lower. I mean, if I had just gas, like pure gas, I think we're going higher. Maybe as slow as tapping this level, maybe going slightly below it. But overall, like, you know, by the afternoon, I think we're gonna be up here. You know what I mean? Was I gonna check? Uh, I don't even know. I forgot. Okay, we still gotta wait for this candle close. It's kind of looking like it's gonna close bearish. I mean, we never retested. If we already retested it, I would have been like, okay, well, this played out before market open. Um, close below, rejection, retest. This would have been a nice short setup here. I don't really take these. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. All right. Now let's see if we close above or below this last level. Well, actually, last level is technically this one right here, right? But this one's pretty far. 200 points. That'd be insane if we go down. I mean, man, knowing this market, we're probably going to be down there by the time I get off. Nice rejection. Nice rejection. Probably going to close above. Yeah. So now this is a little confusing because we can reject off this high. Well, technically low. But we rejected off this one, so we're probably going higher. Yep, look at that. Ooh, pumping. TP would have been here at this level. 50 points. Okay. Mm-hmm. 115. No, 115 isn't bad. Wait, this was the opening candle, right? Let's see how many points this was. Ooh, 67 points is not a good sign of volatility. I'm seeing NQ and ESPN, what do I even do? Focus on. Oh, no. Oh, damn. Wait, what you catch? These longs right here? 66 to 26. Wait, what do you mean 66 to 26? Oh, 766? 226. Oh, and what was your setup? Like what was your confirmations? Like what made you enter? Probably gonna keep on pushing higher. No, I can't tell you. I don't know. uh, I get you. I get you. I don't know. I gotta work on the confirmations. I mean, yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Like you had, it wasn't a complete gamble, you know, but you had like your knowledge behind the trade. I mean, it was just me a simple projection of Asia low. I mean, that's about it from what I understand. Yeah, but good stuff, man. Good stuff. It's almost like you just seen the market so much that exactly, you know, I know what you mean. That's how exactly how I feel. No, good stuff though. Good stuff. You see, bro, trading in New York is way better than Asia for the Nasdaq, right? If you trade gold, then yeah, I guess. Well, from what I heard, gold in Asia is really good. So I don't know. I've only traded it like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, bro. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I would say call it. Well, yeah, I would say call it. I would say, this market is not looking too good. The volume is not looking that good. So, I mean, we've opened and we only pumped. We haven't even pumped 100 points within the first 10 minutes of open. Yeah, so I would say, call it. Take your profits, go on about your day. Because it's not looking too good. Lost fun unless we remember the this week. Oh yeah, man. So right now, what are you on? Like a eval or to yeah, every sort of evals? Okay. What platform are you using? TPT. Okay, that's fine. Boards. That's fine. That's fine. Oh yeah, you told me about the 25K accounts. Yeah. Uh, yeah, 25K accounts seem like they're easier to pass. Submit area. Can you put some if and if it does tell alert. Okay, we pumping, we pumping. Yeah, once over the threshold of the Sunday's cake, you can start. Yeah, daily payouts is was the third candle, right? Daily payouts is fire. You know, one day I'm gonna build my own prop firm. And I'm expecting everybody to buy accounts. I've yet to do it. It seems easy. Yeah, it seems easy. Like the way you say it, it seems easy. And a lot of people think it's easy, but it's those emotions, man. It's those emotions that kill us. Mm. Sorry, I'm a little bored. Uh, Arbum, 100% of those is where you want more. Yeah, man, that greed, bro. Arbum, I made a change to the leaderboard. You think you can update it, McFatty? Go to Instagram. Just because I realized that we didn't have this. Hold on. Important views on my Fitbit. Bro. Yeah, that green man. It's that green. Like, okay, this is my honest opinion. Like, I'm not saying do it, right? But if you have the money, I would say, wait, okay, hold on. Okay. If you have the money to buy evals, regardless of if you keep blowing them, like if you blow an account and you would just buy another one, right? And then you would just blow it again, you buy another one, you buy another one, this and that. Like it really doesn't matter, right? Like you got money for them, right? And assuming that you've already gotten a couple payouts, I think you should just like I'm not gonna say full port, no, no, no. But just size pretty heavy, try to pass the eval as soon as you can. So you can actually, focus on making money on the funded. Now it's a bad mindset, I know, but if you already know how to trade and you prove yourself, then go for it. But if you never got on a payout, yeah, 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 yeah. If you never got on a payout and you've never, like even been close to a payout, like, I would say you just take your time with the eval. Arbum, go to Instagram, bro. update the site because it doesn't let me update it. Yes, I have passed evals. Just try to take one. Yeah, it's because it's hard, man. It's not easy at all. All right, there we go. It's updated now. I understand that, man. Yeah, man. It wasn't that long ago where I used to struggle with like trying to rush. This is also a bad thing. Trying to rush the eval too fast, like too fast. Like you gotta like balance it out where you want to pass it fast, but you gotta like you know like trade smartly. Like you can't just go in. Okay, these were my mistakes, and they weren't that long ago. I would hesitate for a setup because I wouldn't want to lose the account, and then I would chase. For example, let's say longs here, right? Let's say I wanted to go longs here, but I hesitated. Price was all the way up here already, and I was like, damn, let's go in 40 micros. So I would go in 40 micros, and 40 micros is crazy. So it would just go down like 5, 10 points, and it would stop me out, and then it would go back to my direction. So if I had just sized it down, maybe 10 or so, I would have made the money. But I chased heavy, and it comes back to bite me. So yeah, that's just my opinion on funded, on evals and stuff like that. Yeah, chasing with a lot of contracts, you would have to like top ticket or bottom ticket. Mm. Let me just make sure everything's good. Um, three. One, two, three. No trades. Alright, we're rejecting all this Asia. But yeah, I gotta hurry up and gotta hurry up and finish this because I got a meeting. Might as well do it now. The volume is Hold on, let me just make sure I got everything down. Alright, we good, we good, we good. Who's this? Yeah, chasing those compound average could take those loss, find a better. Yeah, I'm one and done, bro. So if I get destroyed, then I'm out, bro. Alright, seems like we're rejecting off this high. Well, yeah, high. This was a pretty decent setup. Longs off here. 100 or something points. Mm, all right. I am around 15. Well, I have to just kind of close it. Well, basically, like in 16 minutes. If I don't have anything, which I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get anything, I'm going to have to call it because I gotta get ready for this interview with Tradeovate. A little nervous, but hey, let's see what goes on. Let's see what happens. Uh, um, honestly, bro, price is so slow. Price is so slow. We've been damn near 30 minutes at open, and we only peaked at 100 and but it's already been 4 minutes left. Long. 8:55. 8:55. Okay, you longed here. Okay, not bad. I wanted longs all the way down here, but I didn't take them. No. These high and lows, rejection bounces, etc. They're basically like my last resort. Um, I really wanna want to take a loss when my main strategy is the orb. But I knew that since we fell a good amount, I kind of knew that we weren't really getting anything. Maybe in the afternoon we can, tap it here or up here and reject off of it or from it, depending on how the kind of closes tapping this level. But right now, I don't think so. Yeah, look at that rejection off that high. Boom, 35 points. It's fine. Basically, it's a leaderboard. Leaderboard for the community. Top. Um, understand. Someone say he doesn't understand the way the leaderboard works. Let me. How can I? the sorry. Um, 30-minute FVG tap. Oh, I mean the way my opinion the way why we rejected is because of this high right here. I mean, you wicked above it, you close below. You wicked above it, you close below. You wicked above it, you just started going down. That's my opinion. I don't use no FVGs, none of that stuff. So that's why I think it. That's why I think it fell. Leaderboard for the community. Friendly. And the way we close above here, we're gonna wick down slightly and then start pumping back up. Maybe these levels are insane. You would be. Let me just respond to this dude. Basically to the leaderboard. Where you the my trading with I mean my trading I'm sorry. My meeting with Trader Base like in 15 minutes or so. So I'm gonna have to get off in around 15 minutes to get ready. hopefully they give me hopefully they give me what I never wanted. The giveaway. Oh, the winners stuff. But for payouts and P&L, you can submit yourself. Honestly, there was multiple. Well, there was two setups. Two setups, in my opinion. One was longs here, and one was shorts here, and both off Asia levels too. So, which one was the Asia level that I thought was pretty strong? 6. This one was pretty strong, and coincidentally, is the one that rejected the most times because this is right here. This was Asia Open and also Asia High. I mean, technically 7 p.m. was Asia High right here. So let's see what would. Yeah, really nothing. Taking some shorts. I gotta. This is going for 1 month. Uh, it'll be a reset every month. You gotta click. Well, let me just. Submit the results. I gotta show them how to submit because. How to submit and check your submissions on mobile, and PC. I gotta do a little recording. Hold on, guys. Hold on, let's do a little recording, guys. Hold on. There. Yeah, honestly, guys, I gotta get ready for this meeting. Yep, choppy, super choppy. My boys, good luck with your meeting. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, guys. Let me just get ready for my meeting. In the meanwhile, I can answer any questions if you have any questions, or let me just record this. Oh, my banner is there. Wait, hold on. Our YouTube.